Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope so all of you are well and fine and enjoying all of my videos. In today's video, I am sharing with you some most attractive and stunning ideas of mini macrame wall hangings. You will see very unique and beautiful designs of small sized wall hangings in this video. All of them are having different types of macrame knotworks used in them, and different geometrical shapes are made in most of these designs as well. So all of these designs are having different types of patterns and different types of fringes work on them, as you can see, and just a few of the designs are having tassel work on them as well. So all designs are unique and different, and you will find almost 35 plus ideas in this video. So just watch it till the end to get all ideas, because you will find most amazing and beautiful designs of macrame work in this video. And you can see this beautiful design with a star pattern, and you can just take a look at wooden branches as well. Different types of wooden branches are used in them, which are also looking very attractive and lovely. Like this one is very beautiful design with a very beautiful wooden branch. So all these designs are unique and have their own attractiveness. Just take a screenshot of the design which you like the most and you want to make. And if you know macrame work, because these are beginner friendly patterns, so you can easily make them. Otherwise, if you don't know macrame work at all and you want to give them a try in your home decoration, you can visit etsy.com or Amazon for this purpose as well, because many of the macrame sellers are providing their products on these platforms, and some of the sellers are providing this service of customization as well. So within a period of month or more, you can have customized product of your own color choice and size as well. So give them a try and share your opinion in the comment box if you love them and want more ideas videos like this, because on this channel you will find all types of handmade products ideas, and you will find products which are related to macrame work, crochet work, and knitted projects ideas are available. You will see crafting related ideas too on this channel. So all types of handmade stuff are available, and all these products are related to home decoration and are related to wearable accessories of women and kids. So share your opinion in the comment box if you are interested in seeing any specific idea video or specifically crochet tutorial video, because other than these kinds of ideas videos, I do upload crochet tutorial videos here on my channel as well. So do let me know in the comments if you are interested in seeing any specific video which is currently not available on my channel. I will make it for you. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye.